Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is week 6 of my Grow Along With Me series, where we're learning how much food can be grown in a small space. In the last few weeks we've planted some onions and garlic, sown some carrots and turnips, and last week some lettuce and spinach, all in this one grow bag. This week we're sowing parsnips. Everything is growing on really well. The onions and garlic are looking strong and healthy. A ton of the carrot seeds have germinated. That'll need thinning down at some stage. The multi-sown turnips are even starting to grow, except this one which has been munched by something. And the lettuce has germinated too. Nothing yet from the spinach. While you're checking on your growing area, keep removing any slugs or snails which are now attracted to your seedlings, and keep it clear of any weeds and grasses. Rough up the surface a little. It's been a while since we filled this growing area and the compost may be a little compacted. Pour a good amount of the seeds into your hand. Parsnip seeds look a little like discs, and they're larger than most seeds. This makes them easy to sow, and you can also spot any bare patches quickly. One pinch at a time, sprinkle the seeds over the surface, making sure to go right up to the edge. I'd always recommend sowing many more seeds than you need. Thinning them down later is easy, and we give ourselves the best chance of success. Just look at how well the carrots are doing. Fill in any empty areas, and when you're done, scoop the seeds back into the seed packet and store them in a dry place. If you've been following this series or seen any of my other videos, you'll know that I try not to use any special tools while gardening. This old butter knife has so many uses in the garden. For weeding, pricking out seedlings, and here to cover the seeds with compost. Use what you have to hand and save your pennies for seeds and plants. Once they're mostly covered, and you don't need to be too precise about that, firm the compost down with the palm of your hand. This will help the seeds to come in contact with the moisture in the soil, and it will speed up their germination. And don't forget to make yourself a label so you don't have to remember what you've planted. Next week I'm going to fill this last area with some spring onions. We've started eating more of them and it'll be really handy to have them so close to the kitchen. Grab yourself a packet of seeds so you're prepared. Next week's video is going to be the last for a while as we'll have finished sowing. I'll then be uploading when there's something we need to do. And once we've harvested a crop, I'll show you how you can sow again to keep this growing area productive. There'll be plenty of upkeep tasks and we'll keep checking in regularly over the next few months. Thank you to my patrons and a big welcome to our newest member Dexter. A gigantic thank you for your support. Do consider joining the community and even a simple like goes a long way. Please leave your thoughts and progress in the comments and I'll see you all next week. Thank you to you all, and happy growing.